how to fix Wi-Fi not showing on your Asus VivoBook. So if this Wi-Fi symbol here is missing or it's just not working in general, I'm going to show you a few ways to go and solve this issue. Now the very first thing you need to do is just open up your start menu, go in search for settings and click on this window. In the left hand side select network and internet, click on advanced network settings and then click on network reset. You can then press this reset now button, and once you've reset your connection you'll need to go and restart your computer. Now if that doesn't solve the issue, the next step is to open up the start menu, search for services and click on this window here. From this window we need to scroll all the way down until you see a service called WLAN. Now the one that we're looking for is this one here, WLAN auto config, and you need to double click on this and make sure the startup type is set to automatic and make sure the service status is running. You can then go and press apply and OK. You can then go and open up your start menu, search for device manager and click on this window here. Click on the drop down arrow next to network adapters and then you need to locate your Wi-Fi adapter. Now typically it should have Wi-Fi in the name, so mine's this second one in the list. Now first of all just make sure the adapter is actually enabled, and you can do that just by right clicking, and if you see an option here for enable device then just go and select that. Now if your Wi-Fi is already enabled like mine is here, then we're just going to right click on this and press disable device and then press yes. Now once this has been disabled you can right click on it again and select enable device, and once it's been re-enabled that should go and solve your Wi-Fi issue. Now if it's still not working you'll just need to perform a soft reset on your Asus VivoBook, and to do that we need to hold down the power button for around about 30 seconds. So even when the power goes off and the screen goes black, you need to continue to hold this button down for 30 seconds. Once 30 seconds have passed, go and release your finger from the button and then you can try turning your laptop back on, and that should have solved the Wi-Fi issue. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.